Collaborating with other users is important in most cases, whether that's working on Word documents, presentations, or even CAD data. In today's world, we are always sharing files and working together remotely. In the past, we could pack and go to share parts and assemblies, but how would you share them with a coworker or external partner? Zip files were usually sent through email or maybe put onto a flash drive and hand delivered. What if instead of all the manual sharing and processes, we could just save and upload our files remotely to the cloud? Let's find out how we could do exactly that in just a few short clicks in this 2-minute tech tip. Sending emails and using physical storage devices are all a thing of the past thanks to the 3D Experience platform. Using the 3D Drive application, users can save any file type to their cloud storage. These files can be shared with internal and external users as long as they have the 3D Experience account. This 3D Drive application can be related to other similar services such as Google Drive and Dropbox. These external services can also be linked to your 3D Drive app simply by clicking on the appropriate service and logging in. Similar to a network shared drive, this 3D Drive location can be integrated directly into your Windows File Explorer to make saving and finding your files that much easier. This 3D Drive location acts similar to a network shared drive in the sense that these files are not revision controlled and are only used as a storage device for lightweight collaboration. Files can be saved and accessed through the 3D Drive by whoever is given access to the 3D Drive creator. Saving files is just as easy as saving a regular file, and we can see how we can choose to save it to the 3D Drive so that others have access to this file. The 3D Drive application is a useful tool for non-revision controlled collaboration between internal or external users. It is a basic file sharing and storage application with limited control over permissions. This is a great application for users who are looking for core functionality of sharing and storing files. For more information on data management inside of the 3D Experience platform, check out our 3D Experience Data Management course. Thanks for watching.